In this video, we will explore the alarming connection between climate change and the rising prevalence and severity of allergies. As global temperatures continue to rise, we find ourselves facing longer allergy seasons, increased pollen production, and more potent allergens. Join us as we delve into the health and economic impacts of these changes, including geographic shifts in allergy patterns and the rise in mold allergies, as well as their implications for asthma and respiratory issues. Get ready to understand how climate change is reshaping our health landscape in ways that affect millions. 1. Longer allergy seasons. One of the most noticeable impacts of climate change on allergies is the extension of allergy seasons. With rising global temperatures, plants are blooming earlier and staying in bloom longer. This extended growing season means that pollen is present in the air for a more significant portion of the year. For allergy sufferers, this translates to a prolonged period of discomfort and symptoms. Imagine having a runny nose and itchy eyes not just for a few weeks, but for several months. This is becoming a reality for many as climate change continues to influence seasonal patterns. 2. Increased pollen production. The relationship between carbon dioxide levels and pollen production is a critical factor in understanding increased allergy prevalence. As carbon dioxide levels rise, plants like ragweed produce more pollen. This isn't just a small uptick, it can be a substantial increase, intensifying the impact on those with pollen allergies. Higher pollen counts mean more particles in the air, leading to more frequent and severe allergic reactions. It's like turning up the volume on a radio. The sound becomes more overwhelming, much like the experience of an allergy sufferer during peak pollen times. 3. More potent allergens. Climate change doesn't just increase the quantity of pollen but also its potency. The allergens become more aggressive, worsening symptoms such as sneezing, itchy eyes, and congestion. This is akin to a mild irritant transforming into a more severe one, making it harder for individuals to find relief. The increased allergenic potency makes it crucial for those affected to seek effective treatments and preventative measures. It's not just about sneezing a little more, it's about experiencing a heightened sensitivity that disrupts daily life. 4. Geographic shifts in allergies. As temperatures rise, plants that once thrived in specific regions are now able to grow in new areas. This geographic shift means allergens are being introduced to places that previously had none. Imagine living in a region where allergies were practically unheard of, only to find yourself suddenly sneezing and wheezing as new plants take root. This shift is not just a minor inconvenience, it's a significant change that affects the health and well-being of entire communities. The spread of allergens to new regions is a testament to how interconnected our ecosystem truly is. 5. Rise in mold allergies. Climate change also contributes to increased flooding and humidity, creating ideal conditions for mold growth. Mold thrives in damp environments, and with more frequent and severe weather events, mold-related allergies are on the rise. This isn't just about a musty smell in your basement, it's about spores that can trigger severe allergic reactions and respiratory issues. For those sensitive to mold, this means more than just discomfort. It can lead to significant health problems that require medical attention. The rise in mold allergies highlights the multifaceted ways climate change impacts our health. 6. Asthma and respiratory issues. The interaction between allergens and air pollution is a double-edged sword for those with respiratory issues like asthma. Climate change leads to higher levels of both, exacerbating conditions that make it difficult to breathe. For asthma sufferers, this means an increased risk of attacks and more frequent use of medications. It's like trying to run a marathon with weights on your feet. The challenge becomes significantly harder. The combination of allergens and pollution creates a hostile environment for anyone with respiratory sensitivities. 7. Health and economic impacts. The rise in allergies due to climate change doesn't just affect individual health, it has broader economic implications. Increased healthcare costs, lost productivity, and the need for more medications are just a few of the economic burdens. For businesses, this means employees taking more sick days and a potential decrease in overall work efficiency. It's not just a personal issue, it's a societal one that affects the economy at large. The financial impact of climate-induced allergies is a stark reminder of the far-reaching consequences of environmental changes. In conclusion, climate change is undeniably playing a significant role in increasing the severity and prevalence of allergies. From longer allergy seasons to more potent allergens, the effects are being felt worldwide. Understanding these impacts is crucial for developing strategies to mitigate and adapt to the challenges posed by our changing environment.